Hello my dear green fingers. Today we're gonna harvest these clumps of Saba banana here in our itsy bitsy garden. Some of the fruits have started to ripen and were eaten by birds already. Its pseudostem or body reached more than 20 feet, so when I made a cut about a third of a quarter high, the clumps or bunch of bananas didn't reach the ground, so I'm cutting now its peduncle to get the fruits. This is so exciting! Here are the clumps of our Saba bananas. As you can see, some of them are ripe and can be eaten right away. So, we'll taste this one right here. I confess I'm a bit famished and at the same time sweaty harvesting these fruits. Literally the saying no pain no gain fit for our gardening activity for today. This tastes so good. Let's eat Saba bananas. Here are the clumps of our Saba banana fruits which I already removed from its peduncle. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe. Keep safe, my dear green fingers.